How to manage your data privacy settings in Claude AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control what data Claude collects and how it's used. First, open the Claude app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. After that, tap the gear icon to open Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap Privacy to open your data privacy options. Following this, you'll see a few different controls here. Take a moment to go through each one so you know exactly what's being collected and what isn't. From here, you'll find the option to control whether your conversations can be used to help improve Claude. If you'd rather keep your chats private and not have them used for training purposes, toggle that off. After that, you can also find a link to Anthropic's full privacy policy in this section. It's worth reading through if you want a detailed breakdown of exactly how your data is handled and stored. Finally, once you've adjusted everything to your preference, your settings will be saved automatically. That's how you manage your data privacy settings in Claude AI on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.